Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen how to set up a Google Analytics account, and we have also seen what are the different types in which the Google Analytics can be implemented. So since we are implementing Google Analytics via Google Tag Manager, we'll be only needing the tracking ID, which you can copy from here, and you can go back to your Google Tag Manager console. And here if you can see the left hand side navigation menu, you have different options: overview, tags, triggers, variables, folders. So we'll look into each of these sections but for now we'll implement Google Analytics tag here. So go ahead and click on tags. Since we don't have any tags as of now, you can click create new, and you can name the tag Google Analytics base tag. I'm naming it as that. And Google Tag Manager provides you number of templates for different tools. You can see there are templates for Google Analytics, AdWords, DoubleClick, Adometry, LinkedIn, so many other tools. Since we are going to implement Google Analytics, you have to select the Google Analytics template. Once you select Google Analytics template, you have two options: whether you are going to implement Universal Analytics or a classic Google Analytics. Since we are going to implement Google Analytics in the Universal Analytics format, you can see this is the Universal Analytics tracking code. I am going to select Universal Analytics as the tag type, and then you have configuration. So this is the only variable that is needed to create a Google Analytics base tag. So since we have already copied the tracking ID, you can just paste it here. And the track type, so the track type is nothing but when you want what kind of tag you want to fire. Since this is the base tag, we want to fire it on a page view, and the track type should be page view. You have different options which we'll look into at a later point of time. And then you can click continue. And the last and important thing is when Google Tag Manager has to fire this particular tag. So Google Tag Manager works on the basic rules of triggers. So triggers are nothing but when to fire a tag. So if you define a trigger as all pages, Google Tag Manager will fire the tag on all the pages. Since it is a Google Analytics base tag and we want it to be present on all the pages, we are just going to select the all pages option. Once the trigger is selected, you can create the new tag. There you go. You have created a Google Analytics base tag, but it's still not yet published. All these changes are there on your Google Tag Manager console but are not yet published to production. So what you need to do, you need to go and click publish here. Once you click publish, you can see what are the changes that are going to push to production. Right, there is a one unpublished change. What is the one unpublished change? That is one tag change. So we have created a new tag, so that is being shown here. You can go ahead and click publish now. We'll look at all this preview and other options in the later videos. Today the main aim is to how to create a new tag. So I'm going ahead and clicking publish now. So that's all. Your new tag is published. You can see the now editing version is 3. So if you want to see what is the version which is live, you can go to versions, and you can see the latest version, the version 2 is live, and you are editing the version number 3. So that is fine. You have done all your job on Google Tag Manager console. We have to check whether it is published to live or not. So what we are going to do is we are going to go back to the website, and we are going to open our developer tools. So remember, so this was version 1. Since we have published Google Tag Manager to live and the version is 2. When we refresh the page, it should be version number 2. Let's refresh the page. There you go, you can see the version change, version number 2, right? And also we can check whether Google Analytics is working or not. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to Network tab and you need to type google-analytics.com. So if you see this particular tag, this is the request URL which is being made to google-analytics.com. So yeah, our Google Analytics tag is also being fired. So I'll explain more about how to debug a tag, how to see whether the data is being passed or not in another video. So this is how we create a new tag. It's pretty simple. You have to go to the container, go to the tag section and select the new tag, select the appropriate template, give the basic configuration and choose a trigger for which you need to fire the tag, and then you can create the tag and you can publish the changes. That's it. So if you have any comments, please leave a comment in the below section. Thank you.